So this is the English worksheet, students. Okay, what we have to do in this worksheet is we have to find the letter Q. We have to find letter Q and color it and color it to make a colorful painting, to make a colorful quilt. Okay, quilt, you know what is quilt? Quilt is nothing but blanket. Okay, so where is Q? This is Q, students? No, very good. So this is Q? Yes, so we have to color this. We have to color this. Come on, everyone. Look at me. See how I am doing, students? Like this only, you have to do the coloring part. You have to do the coloring part. Okay. Everyone got me? So you have to search Q, students. You have to search Q and you have to color it and you have to color it. Okay. So this is Q, students. No, this is N. This is N. So this is Q. Yes, so we have to color this Q. Very good. Like this, students, you have to color. You have to color. And you have to make a colorful quilt. You can change the color also. See, I'm using only red color, no? You can use any color like green. Now, this is Q, no? We will use green for this. Because we have to make a colorful quilt, no? So, you have to search Q, students, and you have to color it. And you have to color it. This is Q, students? No, very good. Your people are very sharp. So first do at the border, students. Okay. Then fill it inside. Look how I'm doing now. You have crayons with you, everyone. So you have to do it with crayons or else color pencils or else sketch pens. But crayons are very perfect for you. If you have crayons, so use crayons only. Okay. Now let's change the color to pink color. Okay. Now this is Q. No, this is A. This is A. This is Q. Yes. So let's do it. Let's color this box. See, students, how I'm doing? Like this only you have to do. Like this only you have to color. You have to color, students. Okay. First, do at the border, students. Then fill it inside. Fill it inside. Okay. So like the students, you have to complete the whole worksheet. You have to complete the whole worksheet. Okay. Now let's move to next worksheet. Rest of the part, students, you have to search and you have to do. Okay, everyone? Yeah. Now let's move to next worksheet. This is EVS worksheet. This is EVS worksheet. So what we have to do here? We have to match. Come on, do the action with me, students. Match. 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 We have to match. We have to match. Okay. We have to match the wild animal. We have to match the wild animal with their homes. With their homes. With their homes. Okay. Yeah, please. No one should write on the screen. Yeah. So yesterday I explained, students, where lion lives. Lion lives in den. Lion lives in den. So where is den? Yeah, this is den. Okay. Wait, I will show you full screen. Yeah. Now, lion lives in den. Deer lives in lair. Lair. Okay. Monkey lives on trees. Monkey lives on trees. Snake lives in holes. Snake lives in holes. Tiger lives in lair. Tiger also lives in lair. Bear lives in cave. Bear lives in cave. Come on, everyone, repeat with me. Lion, den. Lion, den. Bear, cave. 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 Monkey, monkey. Tree, tree. Snake, hole. Snake, hole. Snake, hole. Tiger, lair. Tiger, lair. Okay. So like this, students, you have to match the wild animal with their homes. With their homes. Okay. Now let's move to next worksheet, students. Yeah. Again, this is the EVS worksheet. Okay. So again, we have to match. We have to match the wild animal. You know what are wild animals? Wild animals are the animals which we cannot keep as pets. Okay. Everyone got it? Yeah. So now the first one, students. The first one is chimpanzee. You know where chimpanzee lives? Chimpanzee lives on trees. Chimpanzee lives on trees. So we have to match chimpanzee with tree. With tree. Now, jackal. Jackal lives in lair. Jackal lives in lair. Elephant. Elephant lives in forest. Elephant lives in forest. You know, elephant lives in forest. Jungle. Okay, jungle. Jungle is the home of elephant. Okay, now fox. Fox lives in lair. Jackal and fox both lives in lair. Okay. Now panda. Panda lives on bamboo shoots. Panda lives on bamboo. Okay, you know, this is bamboo tree. So panda lives on bamboo tree only. Chimpanzee lives on trees. Chimpanzee lives on trees. Fox lives, for this is fox. Fox lives in lair. And this is jackal. Jackal also lives in lair. Elephant. Elephant lives in jungle. Elephant lives in jungle. Okay, students. So you have to match the wild animal with their homes. With their homes. Okay. Now let's move to next worksheet. Now, yeah. So this is the math worksheet, students. This is math worksheet. So what we have to do in this worksheet is what we have to write what number comes in between. What numbers comes in between. Okay. So students, for that yesterday I showed you one activity. Remember? One strategy to know what numbers come in between. Okay, so come on everyone, let's do it. Now, look at me everyone. 1, 2, 3, eyes on me. Yeah. So first students, we will write numbers from 0 to 20. 0 to 20. Okay. So come on everyone. I will give you 1 minute. Come on, write in your notebook. 0 to 20 numbers. I will also write. You also write. Okay. Let's write together. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Everyone is writing now? Good. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. 20. So ready? I am ready. You are ready everyone? So now look at here everyone what I have written. See 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19 and 20 and 20. Very good everyone. If you have written means very good. So now we have to identify the middle. Middle means in between. Middle means in between. In between means students middle. Okay. So see the number here is 1 and 3. 1 and 3. Okay, so we have to identify which number should come in between 1 and 3. Middle number of 1 and 3. So what we will do students, we will circle 1 and 3. Come on, let's do it with me. 1, 3. See everyone, I have circled 1 and 3. So in between 1 and 3, which number is here students? 2. Very good. So you have to write 2 here. You have to write 2 here. Okay. Now let's move to next part students. The next number is 8 and 10. 8 and 10. Again we have to search where is 8, 8, 8. 8 is here. Okay. So let's circle 8. Come on everyone. 8 and the next number is 10 and the next number is 10. So let's circle 10. So yeah students, now look at the screen. In between 8 and 10, Which number is here? 9. Which number? 9. So we have to write 9 here. We have to write okay. So like that. If you know numbers from 1 to 10, solve that much only. Leave the rest over the worksheet. Okay. So when we will complete the numbers, no, at that time we will read. Okay. Now look at the screen here, everyone. Yeah. Next is 7 and 9. 7 and 9. So where is 7? 7 here. 7 is here. Okay. So we will circle 7 and 9. So in between 7 and 9 students, which number is here? 8. Very good, students. So you have to write 8 here. You have to write 8 here. Okay. So like this, students, you have to complete the worksheet. You have to complete the worksheet. Okay. So like 2 and 4. 2 and 4. In between 2 and 4 is, search on your paper. You have to circle 2 and 4. So in between 2 and 4 is which number? Show me on your fingers. Take your time and do.